Good day, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. As you can see, I sent your new email signature to you. I'm just quickly going to show you how to set it up, as we want everyone's signatures to be unified and all looking the same. So when you open up your Outlook, you can go to File, go down to Options, and you'll see some options popping up here. Go to Mail. You'll see create or modify signatures for messages. You can click on signatures and this will open up your signature tab. Create a new signature. So I will call mine BARC. Then over here, you'll see the email account. That's the link to the signature. The second one is every new email that you create, the signature will show there, and if you reply or forward an email, it will show your signature. So now we will upload the signature. Over here is your upload button. I will be using this one. So you can see my signature uploaded in here. Unfortunately, I can't make it bigger for some reason. So what we're going to do, if you right click on it, this will open up, go down to picture. You'll see some options at the top. Click on size, and we want the height and width the same so that everyone looks the same. The height will be 9 and the width will be 18. Click OK, and you'll see my signature got bigger. Rebecca requested that we set up a link that's attached to the signature. So when the clients click on the signature, it will automatically take them to our website. So we're going to click on this tab over here, and you can see this popping up. So here you can see address, and here you will enter solutions and click on OK. So this is now set up, and you can click here OK. So when you click on a new email here at the top, you can see my signature showing here and in the right size that we want the signature. Also, if you hover over the signature, you can see the link showing. So when you press on Control and you click on the signature, it will open up the BARC website. So this is how you'll be setting up your signature. If you have any issues or any questions, please contact me. I can also organize a video call with you to quickly help you if need be. Okay, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day and we'll chat soon. Bye.